When it comes to luxury cars, reliability is a tricky subject. No car is reliable if it's neglected. Maintenance and reliability are not the same thing and are often confused. Just because a car needs regular service doesn't mean it's unreliable. The key is understanding which luxury cars hold up well when properly maintained and which ones will leave you stranded no matter what. In this video, I'll break down 5 of the most reliable luxury cars that won't ruin your bank account with constant repairs, if you take care of them. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list is a BMW. While BMW isn't exactly known for bulletproof reliability, the 540i with the B58 engine is an exception. The B58 is one of BMW's best inline-six engines built for longevity. Unlike older turbo engines that had reliability issues, the B58 is smooth, durable, and even powers the Toyota Supra, proof that Toyota trusts it. The 540i's 3.0-liter turbo inline-six produces 335 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque, hitting 0 to 60 in about 4.9 seconds. It delivers BMW performance without M-car maintenance costs. Paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic, it's smooth, responsive, and built to last. A key reason for the B58's reliability is its improved cooling system. Unlike older BMWs prone to overheating due to weak plastic components, the B58's design helps regulate temperatures more effectively, reducing failures. Another major upgrade is the fuel system. Older turbocharged BMWs like the N54 suffered from high-pressure fuel pump failures. The B58 solves this with more reliable fuel injectors and a sturdier pump. With proper maintenance, regular oil changes, coolant flushes, and general care, B58-powered cars can exceed 150,000 miles with minimal issues. This car isn't fragile, but it won't tolerate neglect. Compared to rivals like the Audi A6 or Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the 540i stands out. Audis often develop electrical issues, and Mercedes repair costs can be brutal. The BMW 540i strikes a balance between performance, luxury, and reliability. Inside, you get high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and an intuitive tech setup. A digital dash, solid infotainment, and driver assistance features add to the experience without overcomplicating things. Driving the 540i is smooth yet engaging. The handling stays true to BMW's reputation, and the steering feels natural, unlike some newer electric-assisted systems. It's great for commuting, road trips, or back-road drives. Of course, it's still a BMW. Maintenance isn't cheap. Ignoring service will lead to costly repairs, and parts and labor are more expensive than a standard sedan. But unlike some luxury cars, the 540i won't randomly hit you with a massive repair bill. Depreciation is another plus. The B58's reputation keeps demand high, making these cars a safer bet on the used market. A well-maintained one won't bring nightmare repair costs. Is the BMW 540 with the B58 engine perfect? Maybe not, but it's close. Fast, comfortable, and reliable enough that you're not constantly worrying about breakdowns. If you want a luxury sedan that won't betray you, the 540i is worth considering. Up next, we have another German entry, the Mercedes-AMG C43 with the M276 engine. While AMG models usually mean high performance and high maintenance costs, the C43 is a different story. The Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG perfectly combines power, luxury, and reliability. It may not always steal the spotlight like its flashier supercar cousins, but it deserves respect. In a world where performance and style often come with high maintenance costs, the C43 stands out by offering a thrilling driving experience with fewer headaches. Introduced in 1997, the C43 AMG has evolved over the years, but its core AMG essence remains. While the C63 AMG grabs attention with its larger engine and raw performance, the C43 offers an ideal balance of daily usability and high-performance thrills. It's a car that you can comfortably drive every day, yet still feel the power when you push it on a twisty road. Under the hood, the C43 is powered by the M276, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 385 horsepower and 384 foot-pounds of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through tight corners, the C43 delivers impressive acceleration and excitement that many vehicles in its class can't match. Despite its power, Mercedes has ensured that the ride remains comfortable, even at high speeds. The C43 combines thrilling performance with a smooth, controlled ride, making it ideal for those who want both power and luxury. The interior of the C43 AMG is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to quality. Premium materials fill the cabin, creating a sophisticated and elegant feel. The seats are comfortable and supportive, ideal for both short drives and long trips. The tech setup is intuitive, with a sleek infotainment system that keeps you connected without overwhelming you. Whether commuting or heading out on a weekend adventure, the C43 ensures you travel in style and comfort. Reliability is one of the C43 AMG's strongest attributes. While it's a performance vehicle, it doesn't come with the constant issues you might expect. Unlike some other luxury sports cars, the C43 is known for being dependable, particularly its engine and transmission. Mercedes-Benz has a reputation for building durable vehicles, and the C43 is no exception. While competitors may require constant maintenance, the C43 is relatively low maintenance, offering peace of mind for owners. Driving the C43 is an absolute joy. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in all conditions. The handling is precise, with sharp steering that connects you to the road. The car feels nimble and agile, offering a truly engaging driving experience. It's not just about speed, it's the way the C43 handles that sets it apart. The Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG is a rare breed in the performance car world. It combines thrills, luxury, and reliability in a way few other cars do. It excels on the road and the track while still being practical enough for daily use. If you want a luxury performance sedan with fewer maintenance worries, the C43 AMG should be at the top of your list. Now, let's talk about Audi. The brand has had its share of reliability nightmares, but the B8.5 S4 stands out as one of the good ones. The Audi S4 B8.5 is a car that deserves a little more love. Let's face it, when people think of luxury sedans, Audi is often overshadowed by its German rivals, BMW and Mercedes-Benz. But don't sleep on the S4. This is a car that's practical and also has the performance and reliability, all while keeping you comfortable. Now, the B8 5 generation, produced from 2013 to 2016, took the already impressive B8 S4 and made it even better. You get a 3.0-liter supercharged V6 engine, producing about 333 horsepower, and 325 foot-pounds of torque. It's got that sweet spot where it's not just a fast commuter, but also a daily driver that doesn't want to break the bank when it comes to constant repairs. The sound alone when you hit the throttle is enough to make any car enthusiast smile. When it comes to performance, the Audi S4 B8.5 isn't shy about showing off. It can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, which is pretty impressive for a car that's also reliable enough to make it through the daily grind. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is a big part of what makes it handle like a dream in all conditions. So whether it's dry, wet, or even snow, you're covered. But here's the thing, this car isn't just fast, it's actually surprisingly easy to live with. Audi, being the luxury brand that it is, doesn't skimp on the interior. The cabin is loaded with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and that signature minimalist but classy design. Plus, you get a decent amount of trunk space for those occasional trips to Costco. Reliability? Oh, it's got that too. The B8.5 S4 doesn't come with the long list of reliability nightmares you might expect from some high-performance cars. It's not an endless pit of problems like some of its competitors. With proper maintenance, it'll keep running smoothly for years. Audi engineers really hit the sweet spot between performance and dependability with this one. This car knows how to balance power with refinement. The S4's sporty feel doesn't come at the cost of comfort. You can cruise around town or hit the back roads with confidence and excitement. It's a car that's more than just fast, it's an experience. If you're in the market for a luxury car that delivers a good mix of power, practicality, and reliability, the Audi S4 B8.5 is a choice that's hard to beat. A list of reliable luxury cars wouldn't be complete without a Porsche. While not every 911 generation has been perfect, the 991 Carrera has earned a reputation for durability, arguably one of the most iconic vehicles to ever grace any road. If you've ever dreamt of owning a luxury car that blends rich history, exceptional performance, and rock-solid reliability, the 911 Carrera 991 is likely at the top of your list. Let's start with performance. 3.4-liter flat-six engine, churning out 350 horsepower and propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.4 seconds. Despite its pedigree as a high-performance sports car, the 991 doesn't limit itself to track days. It's surprisingly practical for daily driving, effortlessly going from a weekend fun machine to weekday commuter. This car can handle whatever you throw at it. Handling is another standout feature. The 991 comes equipped with Porsche's dynamic chassis control and a 50-50 weight distribution, which means it hugs the road with unparalleled precision. Whether you're carving through tight corners on mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the 991 feels planted and confident, never out of its element. It's versatile, incredibly reliable, and can comfortably tackle a wide range of driving scenarios. Speaking of reliability, let's get to the heart of the 991's appeal: It's built to last. Unlike many high-performance vehicles that require constant attention and maintenance, the 991 has been designed with longevity in mind. With significant improvements in both engine and transmission, the 991 is known to have fewer issues compared to earlier 911 models. As long as you stay on top of regular maintenance, this car will deliver a dependable performance for many years to come. Inside, the 991, of course, has Porsche's signature elegance. The interior is meticulously designed with a focus on driver experience, featuring a high-quality cockpit with all the modern technology you could want, from touchscreen infotainment to sports seats that provide both comfort and support. Every detail feels luxurious and well thought out, reflecting the Porsche commitment to perfection. Now, let's address ownership costs. Yes, maintaining a Porsche 911 Carrera isn't exactly cheap, but considering its status as a true performance icon, the costs are surprisingly reasonable. While parts can be expensive, they are built to last, meaning you won't be shelling out for frequent repairs. When you factor in the car's reliability and its ability to hold value over time, the 991 is a smart long-term investment. The Porsche 911 Carrera 991 is more than just a car that looks good in your driveway. It delivers on its promise of performance, reliability, and fun, blending all of these elements into a truly exceptional driving experience. If you're searching for a luxury car that excels in every department and remains a wise investment for years to come, the 991 should absolutely be on your list. And finally, we reach the most reliable luxury car on this list, the Lexus IS 500, with its naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. When it comes to luxury and longevity, Lexus is tough to beat. The Lexus IS 500 is a perfect example of how a luxury sedan can deliver both power and reliability without sacrificing comfort. With its V8 engine, this car delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and smooth. But it's not just about the performance. This car has a story to tell. The Lexus has been around for over 2 decades, but the IS 500, launched as a high-performance variant, really took the spotlight. It's the kind of car that gives you a mix of precision engineering, luxury, and a V8 roar that turns heads every time you hit the throttle. At the heart of the IS 500 lies the 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 472 horsepower and 395 foot-pounds of torque. This engine is essentially a detuned version of the one found in the Lexus LC 500, which means you're getting a serious amount of power under the hood. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just around 4 seconds, giving it a respectable level of speed. It's a car that's fast, but it's not trying to be the fastest. Despite the power, the IS 500 doesn't sacrifice reliability, a key feature that Lexus is known for. The brand is famous for its consistent performance and longevity, and the IS 500 upholds that reputation. The 5.0-liter engine is tried and tested, and it doesn't require complex maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Lexus has designed this car with durability in mind, so you won't be spending all your time and money to keep this car going. On the road, the IS 500 strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. It's equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, while the suspension system ensures that you get a smooth ride even at high speeds. The rear-wheel drive layout gives the car a more engaging driving experience, making it an enjoyable companion whether you're on a mountain road or cruising down the highway. Inside, the IS 500 comes with the high-end materials you'd expect from a Lexus. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, beautiful trim, and a modern infotainment system. It's the perfect mix of modern technology and traditional luxury. The seats are comfortable, offering support during long drives while also keeping you firmly planted. Lexus also offers advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-collision system, so you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're well protected. When it comes to reliability, the IS 500 isn't just a great option, it's one of the best in its class. Lexus has built a reputation for creating vehicles that last, and the IS 500 is no exception. The car is known for its solid build quality, minimal issues, and long-lasting value. Even after years of ownership, many Lexus owners find their vehicles running just as smoothly as the day they bought them, which is a testament to the brand's commitment to craftsmanship. If you're after a luxury car that delivers both the thrill of a V8 engine and the peace of mind that comes with Lexus's legendary reliability, the IS 500 should definitely be on your radar. It's the kind of car that offers the best of both worlds, performance and dependability in a sleek, refined package. So there you have it. 5 luxury cars that prove you don't have to sacrifice reliability for comfort and performance. But remember, Even the most well-built cars won't last without proper care. Stay on top of maintenance, and these cars can serve you well for years to come. Which of these would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.